Forgot your Android phone's lock screen password? Stuck on Google verification after a factory reset? Or accidentally deleted important files need to be recovered? These issues happen to many Android users. But don't worry. Here we'll introduce DroidKit, one of the most powerful Android all-in-one tools, which can help you quickly solve various Android problems. And now you can free download it. So is DroidKit really useful? What can a free version do? We will introduce it in detail. All screen recordings in this video are captured using Focus C. What can DroidKit do? DroidKit is an all-in-one solution designed for Android users. It helps you unlock your phone if you forgot the screen password, including PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or Face ID. Bypass Google FRP lock without password. Recover lost data like photos, messages, contacts without root. Fix system issues like boot loop, stuck on logo, black screen, etc. Extract data from broken phones, SIM cards, or Google accounts. Whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy, Huawei, Motorola, or others, DroidKit has got you covered. Is DroidKit free? Download version safe? Some people may search online for a free cracked version of DroidKit. But please note, these links provide outdated versions that cannot unlock the latest system, such as this link that leads to an illegal website. They may even carry viruses, which may leak privacy or damage the device. The cracked version has severely limited functions, often crashes, cannot connect to devices, and has a very low success rate. For safety reasons, be sure to download DroidKit from the official iMobie website. It can be downloaded for free and tried. And if you only need one function, you can purchase the module instead of the full toolkit. How to free download use DroidKit safely. Search iMobie DroidKit on Google. Go to the official site and click Free Download. Choose the function you need. If you're locked out of screen lock, click Unlock Screen. Follow the on-screen guide. No tech skills required. If you're locked out of FRP lock after factory reset, select the FRP bypass mode. Connect your device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. The configuration file will be prepared for your device. Click the Start to Bypass button. Select your system version and hit the Next button. Follow the instructions shown to put your device in recovery mode. Click Reset and click OK. After completing, it will start to bypass the FRP lock. Once completed, your device will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your device. You can see there are no account settings here. If your Android device is locked, stuck, or broken, DroidKit can be your fast and secure fix. It's free to download and supports both Windows and Mac system. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.